Look at this dude. This is the dude. This is the
What
dude.
you guys doing? What you guys doing for another video? So don't mind the noises in the background. So, today
Frick this dude.
this is gonna be a random video. So, yeah.
This dude is freaking stupid.
So,
What the is this?
So you guys know about my new series that's going on, and I saw all those stick pot videos that are pretty short.
The Pizza Club.
Yeah. Yeah, my friend just likes annoying me whenever I do my videos. But guys, I'm just pacing pretty much. So about the plush series and stuff.
It's Freddy Krueger and Jason Voorhees.
Okay.
Oh, you know what's gonna come on the video, guys? He told me it was gonna come early, and it's gonna be Jason Voorhees plushie.
Okay. Yep. Yeah. Okay. Whatever he said. Subscribe to Iron Wolf Hacker.
Hat God, boy.
Iron Wolf Hat God.
That's right.
So sorry about that.
I have more subscribers than him.
Sorry.
What is it? Nothing. That was my friend, and
I have 17 subscribers. Just ignore him. So yeah. So if you guys see all the stuff in the background, just don't really mind it. My friend.
Mason, turn off. Mason,
Okay,
turn
guys.
off and show me how much subscribers you have.
Okay, guys. I'm sorry, but sorry that this video is like 2 minutes long, or like somewhere around there. But I have to go because my friend. No, I just.
Freaking liar.
No, okay.
Freaking doesn't even probably have that much subscribers.
Okay, who cares? So, see you guys in the next video. Bye.